Hello everybody, it's your Hoosier in the heat again. It is Wednesday, November 1st. I'm a little upset. The truck's making noise, so I figured I'd check it out. I came home early just so I'd have a little decent weather to do it in. Anyway, they can't all be trips, all around Arizona, I guess. So, welcome, episode 3. Well, it's been a while, so everything's still kind of growing up or dying. I'm not sure yet. The monsoon did a lot of crap. So I'll probably show you around here a little bit, let you see what's going on. And right there's where the pool was. I miss the pool. Still got pool noodle stuff ready. Waiting on the next warm spell we get. There's my little hole in the ground I'm still digging on. It's been fun. There you go. That's kind of how my fruit cellar is going to look. Like that. There's the way out. Wood pile over there. And I'm going to have to cover up my trash pile burning right there. I do have that. I enjoy this here. So that's what, I don't know. Dad might have called the Mississippi mud multiplier. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe I made that up. Hello, everybody. Well, we got the truck up on, yeah. So, turns out, missing one of these. Yeah, where the caliper. I had the bottom bolt there, but the top one's gone. That was a clicking noise. I mean, good Lord. I would say something about the mechanic, but I'm pretty sure I know him personally, and it hurts, but I understand. So we'll show you some other things before I go frantically Google or Amazon one of these suckers. So talk to you in a minute. Hey, we got the part. All right. So we'll try to get it on there, see how it works. Surely I can keep the calipers on there for another day, right? We're getting there. I was promised a beer when I got done with this test drive, and then a beer, and then she'll drive Hoosier in the heat back. I'm hurrying. Almost did it. Hey everybody. Doing a little bug prevention. We had a big spider crawl across our security cam last night. Upset a few people. So, I'm going to put some of this as seen on TV RV sealant on top of it, and then we'll have a hole fixed. Maybe if I had a sharper knife. Mercy. Somebody should sharpen their knife, huh? Well, this stuff's pretty good. I even got some in my boot. Ooh, there we go. Black, but who cares? Well, there's a big chunk of it right there. And for anything else, I have caulking. So yeah, we'll throw that down there so I can get it. Where's Where's this at? Let's see. All right. Boy, that went right in there. All right. I will talk to you guys in a minute, probably down on the ground. Maybe. Yikes. I don't get it too far. Definitely eats up the caulking. I'm about out. All right. Arizona caulked. Sounded weird, didn't it?